Okay, this video is going to be me showing you guys how I sew my closure to my U-part wig, and this is what my U-part looks like. I have 2 combs sewn in the back, and before this video I had a clip right here, a clip in the middle, and a clip right here, and I just took the clips off so that I could sew my closure on. So this is what it looks like. I used a mesh spandex cap this time. This is my first time using a mesh cap and I absolutely love it. So this is what the cap looks like, and then this is what my U part looks like. So all you need is your closure, and I already cut the excess lace off the closure, and I bleached my knots and I over bleached them, so I ended up going back in with black hair dye, and as you can see I have a couple stains on my lace, which is okay. It's not, you know, anything horrible. So all I'm gonna do is sew my closure to my U-part wig. So I'm just gonna stick my closure on there and sew it. It's not really difficult, but you do want to make sure that your closure has like this ring around it, because this protects the lace and it makes the closure reusable, and it helps not to rip the closure, not to rip the lace on the closure. So you always want to make sure if you do buy closure that you get it with this ring around it, because it is great protection for your lace closures. And I already threaded a needle. You just need a regular basic needle and thread. Okay, so I'm just going to start sewing the closure. You just want to make sure your closure is lined up with where your cap ends at. And I'm just going to start sewing. And it doesn't have to be perfect or anything, because I mean, I'm not the world's best sewer, but yeah, you get the point. Okay, it's all sewn on, as you can see. It's all sewn on. It just looks like this. You can't really see but the line around the closure. And then the other side. So yeah, and voila, this is what you have. Your closure on your cap. Voila. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the closure on. Yeah, all I need to do is wash all the hair together so it can get unified and everything. But this is what it looks like. This is what my closure looks like. Just need to fix my parting of how I want it to look. So yeah, something like that. But this is what it should look like. I wanted like a deep side part. This is what the hair looks like. And if you want it to be more to the side, I could, you know, just push it on over. And I could just part it. Part it like that, and then all my hair is right there. So like that. So yeah, I'm really loving the closure. And I'm just gonna add a wig clip right here. I'm gonna add a clip right there. And I'll probably add one right here on the other end. But yeah, guys, I'm loving my closure. This is the hair. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave your comments below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.